Alright guys, this is the airbrush from Autolock, and it's usually great till it's not. It always starts off good for the first couple of months, and then it's going to start doing this. Watch. Nothing is coming out of the gun, only coming out this little cap on the top. It's been cleaned. I clean it every day after each use, and eventually it gets to the point where no amount of cleaning is going to fix it, and this is what you get. And it usually waits till you have a shop full of clients and customers to serve. I use it for airbrush and hair color enhancements when I'm doing my barbering. But no, don't buy this.